hiking up Roy's Peak now. It's somewhere up there, and it's very hot and very sunny and very uphill. We've made it probably not even halfway up. We've gone a total of 1K.
1.1.
And it looks like that's the car park down there. Very full, overflowing even. We got lucky we even got to park here and do this hike because of the triathlon that's in town. So, pretty high up now. We can see over to the other side of that ridge. There's the parking lot down below, and the lake, and the town, and Lauren. And we gotta keep going up and up to that peak there, I believe. Hot and sweaty. We have passed the lower viewpoint, which is just down over the hill there. And we are now on the other side of the ridge, coming up to the top. You can see over there in the distance the glacier that we went to yesterday, Rob Roy's Glacier. And we're about to go to Roy's Peak, which is the view of that glacier, I imagine. Looks like there's a road that goes up into that mountain as well. All right, there's the peak. We're gonna walk the ridge line up, see where we came from. It's been a very long and hot, steep hike, and there's just one steep bit to go. The end of the race, if you will. You got mountains all around, glaciers, the town, the lake. It's all there. And soon we'll be able to see all of it in one glimpse. This is gonna be rough. That was a bit much. Roy's Peak. The beacons in the distance. A long way down to the car park. Alright, we're at the photo spot after about an hour and a half of waiting.
Well, an hour and a half.
It feels like it. And look, the line's still there.
I think you can take it wherever you want.
Yeah.
You guys can take out together one.
Going back to the line to get our stuff. Bumblebee hit my hair.
I see them move. Oh, there might be two different couples because I see babies way over there too.
Oh, we're near the parking lot. And we spotted some weird birds with some hats. They make funny noise.